Hey guys, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is going on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, so let's get started. So in this video right now, Bitcoin is approaching our first target for this short that we opened in previous videos. If you watch this video to the end, you will find out where the price of Bitcoin will go in the near future, what charts 99% of people are not talking about at the moment, and what news can affect the price and movement of Bitcoin in the near future. So watch this video till the end and you will find a lot of interesting information. So let's move on to the 1 hour time frame. We had a rising wedge here, we broke it down, and now we are going down to our first target. Congratulations to all those who took this trade. It was possible to take it both on the BitGet cryptocurrency exchange and on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. All links are in the description. Unfortunately, I didn't take this trade. I missed it because I was knocked out here by stop loss, and accordingly Bitcoin went down without us. So far, everything is working perfectly. This is an excellent short, and once again, congratulations to all those who took it. I remind you that you could take this short if you were subscribed to my Telegram group. Back on February 4, I showed for free that this trade was open and you could enter this trade with me and earn a profit. All you need to do is go to the description, go to the Telegram group and subscribe. I also have a VIP group where I give daily future signals. All you need to do is just write me crypto in my DM. So traders, go to my Telegram and get useful information that comes out much faster than in YouTube. So we pass to another chart, also 1 hour time frame. Right now we are testing this block, the support block. We just made such a squeeze. We have almost reached our first goal. It can be said that the short has almost worked out. You can close it and not wait for lower targets. Why? I will tell you very soon. So we are not making a break here yet. There will still be an opportunity to rise higher to the area of $23,000 at least, and I will also tell you further due to what this can happen. Due to what in general we are falling so much now, due to which Monday opens with a minus candlestick, due to the news that comes out. The news is pretty negative. The SEC is filing a complaint against the issuer that issued the Binance stablecoin BUSD. This is Paxos. The company has already announced that it will stop paying out BUSD stablecoins, and accordingly Binance may have serious problems in the near future. Again, they are trying to leave one stablecoin, which is most likely to be USDT. They are trying to create pressure on other independent stablecoins, on the entire Binance ecosystem and their stablecoins. Perhaps they will even be able to remove this stablecoin from the market, so let's see how events will develop. Also, PayPal, a huge financial giant, a huge payment system, when it announced that it wanted to create its own stable coins, also received pressure from the SEC, and they temporarily stopped developing stable coins until all the details could be adjusted. So let's move on to another very interesting chart. Let's start with a weekly time frame. Look, back in 2021, a trend line was formed in November, and when we touched this line, we always went down a huge percentage. Here we went 52%, then 62%, and now we are testing this trend line from above. I already told you about this, the most interesting will be further in video. Look, now we have opened a negative weekly candlestick, closed the previous week and tested this trend line, and it's very important how we close this weekly candlestick. If we close it in the red and go below the trend line, then traders, it's quite possible that this was a fake out and we will go down another 40%. Going down 40% from here is to see targets in the $12,000 region. This is quite possible. You should definitely watch how the weekly candlestick closes. But so far it has just opened. It opened negatively. This giant trend line was tested the previous week. Again, as we approach trend lines, expect quite a lot of volatility, expect the market to have a fairly large move throughout the week, so let's see what movements can be expected. This is similar chart, 1 hour time frame. What do we see here? So a trend line that has been drawn on a weekly chart. We have tested it at the moment. What is the pattern here? Here we had a growing channel, and here is also a growing channel. Two parallel yellow lines, and the angle of inclination changes. There is also a difference between the two formations. Here the angle of inclination was quite large and the scale was smaller. Here we grew for about a week, and here we grew about 18 days. And we were in the trading range, then they fell below the trading range and formed a cup and handle formation. Accordingly, here is a cup with a handle and broke through this formation upwards. So how does it get up? First, we work out a smaller distance. This is the distance. You put this distance on the break line. That's 1.41%, and you get our target. The first goal here, as you can see, work out, and accordingly the second goal is already a greater distance. We had a greater distance of 2.84%, and you can even take the squeeze about 3.51%. This goal has worked, and the exact same thing is happening here right now. We now have a huge squeeze. If we go lower and don't form this handle, then the formation can be cancelled. The format will not work. Keep track of what is happening in the moment, but so far it looks very much like a cup with a handle. So look traders, the first trade, if we form a handle here, could be 2% at about 1.95%, $22,495. The second trade that can be taken is a 3% loan on the 22,700 spot, which is the upper limit of this channel and a strong resistance zone. If we manage to return to this trading range, then such a movement and reaching the $25,000 target is possible. We will see if we can draw a handle here. So far it looks like we are not able to do this, and the price of Bitcoin is flying down on the news that the SEC plans to deal with Binance, BUSD, and with the company Paxos, which has already announced that it will stop issuing the BUSD stablecoin. Move on to the next chart, and all chart, I drew it for you. We had a fallen wedge here, and look how exactly we are going to the targets that we have drawn here. We reached the first resistance level, touched it, and went to the second support level. Our support is small, $20,980 and $21,731. For now, we stand on it. I don't rule out that if we break through this support level, which is approximately the bottom of this range, $20,300, then I don't exclude the possibility of a retest of this triangle going low enough from above, which is $15,000. This can happen if we don't hold the range in which we are currently trading. Also on the weekly chart, we carefully observe what will happen in these price ranges. Follow this exactly as well, and I will post a more detailed update in my group, in my Telegram group. If you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my link, which will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim up to 5,000 bonus on BYBIT, and all you have to do is make your registration and make your first deposit on BYBIT. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then you have a good alternative. This is BitGet. It's available for all users, and right now there is a spin like a wheel to win Bitcoin, artificial intelligence tokens, Macy's autograph t-shirt, and many other prizes. So follow the link in the description or in the first pinned comment, register using my links and get your bonuses. So let's move on to the last chart that I prepared for today. This is 1 hour time frame. Again, we see two price ranges. This is the line of support that we have formed and the line of resistance. If we consider the minimum bounce that can be taken in the near future, then there is a scalp trade. That scalp trade will also look like this. If we cannot wait for a cup with a handle, then you can enter according to this logic. In principle, one can go from the support level to test of the resistance level. It's possible, and again, if we break through this support level, then our next target will be in the range of 4 or 5% down. This is the range of $20,597, $20,265. We are very closely watching all these things that we have now, and if you really want to open a trade, then a scalp trade might look like this. Although now it's very risky to open anything, but the trade is logical enough. And if we don't make an overlay on the 15-minute time frame, then we can enter this trade and take up to 4% of the profit, and the risk reward ratio is 4.67. So it's quite a good deal. Don't forget to go to my Telegram group where I give free future signals every day. And what do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. I hope you liked this video and my update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, and also don't forget to put comments with your opinion. Thank you for watching. Bye.